You know what is it? It's Sister's Day. I'm gonna make a Milo Mug Cake for my sister. It's a secret. You need a cup. You need baking powder. You need flour, salt, sugar, Milo, ghee, milk. We need to mix everything inside the cup. You need flour. Make Sister's Day. You need there. See, you need to mix well. Now put it inside the oven. You need to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Cake is ready, and I'm gonna give it to my sister when she eats it. I'm blowing it because it will be so hot. Happy Sister's Day, I made a cake for you. Thank you, Josh. What do you like about me, Josh? Putting me TV, and you sit with me do command. Hey! You goes out with me, and Akka puts me down, feed me. Try the cake, Akka. Yummy. Is it hot? Hey! It is. This cake is so fluffy and soft, right, Josh? We put it inside the oven, the microwave. Guys, it's time. See me in my next video. Bye. Bye. You really like that cake, Josh. Too much. So you're gonna eat it all? Yeah. You need to put it inside the microwave, and you need to put it 4 hours. Happy Father's Day. Father's Day? But thank you, John.